Hi, we're here today on a beautiful March afternoon at the Emergent Abundance Farming Collective farm at Spar Hill, and we're going to show you today how to maintain our pathways. There will be several different things that we're going to show you, and just wanted to point out right in the beginning that we need to maintain the pathway so that we can actually get through this field. If you take a look, this is a really large site and we grow a lot of different things, including lots of annuals, also meadows for wildlife, insects, birds, as well as tree crops, a food forest. And so we need to make sure that we can actually have maximum accessibility into this place, because if we don't maintain the pathways, everything will turn into a jungle and it will be pretty impenetrable. So March is actually a pretty perfect time because the ground right now is not frozen anymore, and we're still right before things really will start to grow. So this is a perfect time to catch up and do a reset on all of our paths. So let's get started. So here you can see what happens after we grow corn in this field. We have laid out this beautiful pathway, and by now you can barely see it even there anymore, because this corn had grown up to like 8-9 feet, and then it all fell over, and now we got some work to do. Clean it up. Mostly we'll clean it up using hands and a broom. So I'll get started. All right, one important thing when we clean up is always to make sure that if we have a lot of plant material, that we place it somewhere where we're absolutely certain that nobody else has planted something purposeful, right? Or that a beautiful volunteer plant came in that we want to protect. So for example, I know for sure that here we can pile up plants, so that's where we're going to pile them up. Next to it we have a blueberry and a blueberry, so we'll protect those. It's also to be said, it's much easier to do this now after the winter than if you try to pull up a corn plant like this in the fall. You just pull out your back and strain it, right? And even now, sometimes you have to work a little bit on it, maybe bend it, and then you can pull it up. Now we can bring in the broom, quickly give this a sweep. And here we have our path again.